Hello everybody, welcome to Maple Lodge Productions. Today I'm going to be going over my preferred method of starting charcoal, and that is the charcoal chimney. So first, I'm going to take some newspaper, I'm going to crumple it up, I'm going to put it down here on the bottom part of the charcoal chimney. Then you're going to take your coals, fill up the top part. Okay, once you've filled up the top, you're going to light the paper that you just put underneath on the bottom. Okay, so in this method, since you burn the paper underneath, the heat from the paper is going to rise and it's going to start the coals up top. So now you wait. So once the coals on the top start getting hot, you can see they're turning white and they're burning, you're going to dump it. Set down the chimney, and you can use a charcoal rake. You can rake the coals into your desired position. Alright. Then after that, you're going to put your grate back on. You're going to put the lid on, and you're going to let the coals preheat your grill. Thank you for watching Maple Lodge Productions. Please like and subscribe.